Okay, I'm going to try and illustrate the problem here. You can see I've got two nuts here, and I've tightened the crap out of this one onto this one, maybe even too much so. So I'm going to go, my phone will probably disappear for a second while I give this thing a good spin. So now it's unwinding. See how it's getting higher up on the shaft? It's unwinding itself from the, just from this being, the friction's stuck to, you know, this is the hanging collar, this black thing, and that's the nut. So when it unwinds, just the fact that the weight applies upward friction to the nut is enough to actually unscrew both the nut and the lock nut on top of it. It's super annoying. Also, when spinning, it tends to want to it wants to tighten itself too, which is annoying because under here, this little, the bottom of the shaft, you can see, it's got a bearing in there. It's got a skate bearing, so it shouldn't really, this part shouldn't be turning. The only force to turn it, really, should be the force that's pressing this hanging collar against the spring. As soon as they're not touching anymore, it shouldn't really be applying any force because it's got a skate bearing there, and then there's another skate bearing up top here underneath the spring, under there. So I'm not sure why that's happening. I gotta rethink this a bit.